how to set the limit? We just the 0 point set here, y set here, right? We only move it x, changes the length max. We can do in the teach, move the x this direction to this button。大致帮我来移一下，移到这边，手拿着过来，移。move。好，慢一点，速度切实。OK， 停。If we want set the limit is here. We can see the this joint, the robot the position is this. We only change the we change the this must more than this direction, this position. We can set is great, right? If we want set less than, you can see it. The robot, the controller will have the alarm. You can see it because the software, right? We must change it again. Must more than. Then choose this clear the alarm. Okay, it's great. The next we do the Y. The again.